morning, people of the World Wide Web. But I don't know how great my hair looks because I kind of just rolled out of bed. And the lighting situation is probably bad because the light is like right here. But did we get a new dog? No, I'm just dog sitting. And Lily here is snoring. Her brain's out. Even though she's not sleeping. But last night, as you can see, I went to Walmart to return bottles. And while I was doing that, my stomach was like making all these weird noises and everything like that. And turns out, yes, it was my birthday, but I got sick. Great for me. So I ended up hurling. And then I had diarrhea also on top of that. But it was not a fun situation. No, it was not. And now, like, a little TMI, but all this phlegm is all loose and everything. Lil, where are you going? Bye-bye. She's going to hide. There's Ab. There's Ab. Abby is 14 years old, I think. She doesn't look a day past 2. Abby, what you doing? What you doing, Pumpkin? You don't know you're gonna go back to bed? Night-night. But that's an update of what happened. But Mom just went to work and she got the okay yesterday to drive, and her surgery date is set about it. And you can officially say I fell into the Pinterest hole. It's true. That's all I do is look on Pinterest. But yesterday I did make a basic resume so I can go and start looking for part-time jobs. Fun.